Hi, here we'll check it out. Activity lifecycle methods. First of all, we need to create a project. Project name I'm giving as Activity Lifecycle. Sorry, cycle demo, and I'm giving the package name com.ram.activity lifecycle demo, and I'm finishing the project. So here, activity lifecycle in the sense clearly here we are going to check. We are having some important methods in this superclass called activity class. That methods we are overriding here, and we are checking clearly whenever activity comes to the foreground or it is going to the background from the foreground, our activity is going to kill, what kind of methods are executing, that one we are going to check it out. And after checking these methods, again whenever you want to do something, whenever you want to kill that activity or activity is coming to the foreground, if you want to perform certain operations, then you can use these lifecycle methods. So we can override these methods by right click here, and you need to select the source and override and implemented methods. So here it's going to show you all methods from the activity class. So let us select the methods. We require on destroy and on pause and on restart, on resume, on saved instance state, on start, on stop. So these are the methods we are selecting. Just hit OK. So obviously we are getting these methods here: on resume, on restart, on pause, on destroy, like that. So here we are going to keep the logs. Log dot d, and here tag I'm giving is activity lifecycle. Okay, fine, lifecycle, and message is on create method. On create method. So okay, fine, we will do like this. Let us copy and paste in every method. So just we are going to take this here, and on start and on save instance state and on resume, on restart, on pause, and on destroy. Save it, and here we need to take on create method. Output we need to check in the logcat. Save it and run the application. Run as Android application. So here we need to open the logcat. So clearly go to here and click on DDMS. It's going to open the DDMS perspective. Open this logcat and check the output here. And here we need to open the log. See here, once activity comes to the foreground, here we have a methods on create, on start, on resume method. So whenever activity is first creating and it is coming to the foreground, these methods are executing: on create, on start, on resume methods. Now I'm going to hit the home button. If you are hitting the home button, just application went to the background and it is running in the background. So at that time we have a on save instance state method, on pause method, and on stop method. These three methods are executing. Now again I'm opening the same application. So for activity comes from the background to the foreground, then you can check it out what are the methods are executing. Here again the methods are going to execute on restart method and on start method, on resume method. If you hit back button, the activity is going to completely destroy. That means it's going to kill that activity, removing the activity from the back stack. So here clearly we have a methods on pause, on stop, and on destroy. So this is your activity lifecycle programming, how we are going to check the activity lifecycle. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in your next video, and If you want to check it out more concepts, just you can check it out RAM standard for all block spotting. You'll get more concepts and more videos here and some advanced concepts like maps and locations, these concepts. Thanks for watching.